So I put this question right on my YouTube channel. Would you trade 1 billion Shiba to get more bone? Now, I've been thinking about bone all day long, and I've been figuring out, should we get more bone? Should we get more bone? And the answer is, I definitely want Shiba, but I want to get more bone, so I'm definitely going to make a move right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So I did not decide to trade 1 billion Shiba to get more bone, but I have decided to do 300 million Shiba Inu or Shiba and trade that for bone. So I'm going to unstake this. So I'm going to show you how to unstake something and then swap that out to get more bone. So this is what we're going to do. Now I'm connected to my Coinbase wallet. I have my phone right here, and let me go ahead and put up the Coinbase wallet. I do have some Ethereum to go ahead and make this transaction. So I'm going to unstake 300 million out of my more than 3.3 billion Shiba that I have. So I'm going to unstake this. Let's check out the fees. I like it. $2.69. That's not bad so far. $2.69. And I'm going to put my PIN number in there to unstake this. So that's not bad. So I'm going to keep track of the fees right here. So fees, $3.69. So just real quick, keep track of the fees. Is pending right now. So I'm going to sit here and wait. That's not bad. $3 and what? $2.69. $2. Is it $2? Or $3? Just $2. Green success. It's $2.69. Oh, I'm my bad. So $2.69. So unstaking this, I just decided to do this. 300 million. Okay, so I'm gonna go to CoinGecko. That is okay. So that's get about 600 bone with that. So I'm gonna go right to swap. So I unstaked it first. Unstaked it. Paid $2.69. Now I'm going to swap my Shiba to get to bone. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going really slow. Shiba. Got Shiba. And now I'm going to look for bone. So I'm going to type in bone. And we grabbed it. Make sure it's this bone, because there are other bones out there, but look for the bone that looks like this logo. I'm going to maximize. So I'm going to get 640 bone. I'm going to swap this out. Ooh, can't believe I'm doing this. But yes, I want to get more bone. So I'm going to confirm this. And $5. That's not bad at all. These fees are not that bad. But I am doing it late at night as well. I'm doing this transaction late at night. That's woof. So that wasn't too bad. What, to me, that wasn't bad at all. So, and it went, and it looked like it's going to go ahead and go through. I think it's going to go through. So that's not bad. I like that. So that's what I did. A little recap. All I did was I went to swap, and I'm trading my SHIB for bone. It's over 300 million. I'm trading that to get more bone. Now it looks like 640 bone that I'm getting. $5.02 was the fees for that transaction. So $5.02. So these are my fees so far. This is what I did to unstake SHIB. This is what I did to swap for bone. So this one, I'm keeping track of it. Now I'm going to go back to bury, and I'm going to bury those bone. So look at that, 640. So look at the APR, and let me go ahead and stake 100% of that. Stake it, confirm on my phone. $2.21. Remember, I'm doing this late at night where the fees are usually cheaper. Even if I click on here, it's even cheaper. Now, the slow will more likely go, it'll be slower. So it says 14 minutes for the transaction, but it could fail. But I mean, come on, $2.21. Let's go ahead and do this. So there's another fee involved, and that is $2.23, and that is to stake my bone. So if I go, wish I could make this bigger. Yeah, I can. I'll make this a little bigger for you. See if you can see this. So it looks like this went through. Let me bring this down. Look at my actually Ethereum. Didn't take much of a hit there. Let's see, look for the green success. Green success. We are successful and we're good there. And let me go back to my Coinbase wallet, $2.21. Let me go here, $2.21. So let me add this up. $2.69 plus $5.02 plus $2.21, only $9 total. $9.92 in fees, in total fees. That's not bad. That's not bad to me. Come on now. We just made a couple of transactions, and now we've got 1,105 buried bone. I wanted to get to at least 1,000 bones buried. I just wanted to do that. That was one of my goals to do about this week. But the research I've been gathering, especially with the SHIB party ending and the liquidity event ending, and then the fact that it's only going to be 250 million minted actually bone tokens ever. And then also, I just feel like when bone got to $70, think about this. So now just with 1105 times the all-time high, I guess it was 70.75, $77,000. So if that thing gets to that all-time high, just the buried bones alone will be worth $77,000. And that was one of the reasons why I wanted to make this move. And if I go back to my Shiba, I still have 3 billion Shiba being buried. So we're good there. And we're going to continue adding more Shiba as the price continues to change. So if it goes down, I'm going to add more. That's just my plan. So I just want to show you how to do this. Unstake, swap, and then stake again. But I have a plan. I hope this was very educational and a little bit of informational entertainment as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more Shibaswap tutorials and more. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. I'll see you later.